tell me the truth, when was the last time you had Belizean coconut trifle? Or do you even know what it is? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut trifle the Belizean way. The first thing I'm going to do is chop up my coconut, and I'm just using some flaked coconut that I bought from the store, but usually in Belize we would use a fresh coconut and you grate it and it's just so nice and juicy and fresh. But with this dry one, the flakes were really big and I didn't want big flakes in my coconut trifle, so I decided to put it in my food processor and chop it up a little bit. For this recipe, I'm just using 1.5 cup of flaked coconut, but if you're using a fresh coconut, I would say just use a whole coconut. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. To my bowl, I'm going to add 1 stick of butter softened at room temperature, 1.5 cup of white sugar. I'm going to take my electric mixer and beat that a little bit, then add my eggs. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 eggs. You're going to beat that until it's nice and creamy, and that will take about 5 minutes. Be sure to go in there and scrape down your bowl. I asked over on my Instagram and Facebook if you all know about coconut trifle, and it was 50-50. A lot of people said they didn't know about it, and a lot of people said they grew up eating it. So let me know in the comments, do you know about coconut trifle? Okay, you're going to also add 2 teaspoons of vanilla to that. Next, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of flour along with 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to beat that well. Be sure to go in there and scrape down your bowl. If you're a long-time follower of the channel, you'll know that my mom made me a cookbook that is so special to me. But I was just going through the cookbook the other day and I came across this recipe and I said, oh my gosh, I have to make this for the channel. I haven't had coconut trifle in forever. Okay, now I'm going to add the coconut to it, and then I'm going to add some coconut milk. I'm using 1/2 cup total, and I'm just using coconut milk from the can. In my mom's recipe, she said to add some milk if the batter is too thick, so I wasn't sure how much milk to add at first because, you know, I'm using flaked coconut. If you're using fresh coconut, it would be different, so you'll have to check it and see. So I added 1/4 cup, but I decided to add a little bit more, so in total it's 1/2 cup. Go ahead and grease your baking pan, so I just sprayed mine with some cooking spray. And I wanted a bundt cake, so I decided to make it a bundt cake. If you're from the States, you're probably thinking this doesn't look like a coconut trifle, or it doesn't even look like a trifle. And I know that's true. It doesn't look like a trifle here. The trifle here is very different. But this is our Belizean style coconut trifle. It's basically like a cake with coconut in it. Put this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake it for 40 minutes. Use a toothpick to test it to make sure it's done. If your toothpick comes out clean, it's finished. Let that cool down before you take it out of the pan. Now that it's nice and cool, I'm going to use my plastic knife to loosen up the edge. Flip it over and say a little prayer. Do a little dance, tap on the pan, whatever you need to do to make it come out. I was getting worried there for a minute, but it was fine. Just a little bit left in the pan, and that's not going to waste. That's the good part. Oh my gosh. I remember when I was little, every time my mom made cake, I would always ask for the pan because I want that little bit that's left in there. Usually when you make a bundt cake, you don't flip it over back, but I decided to do that with this one. And I'm just using a serrated knife to cut a slice. This just took me right back to Belize. Man, I forget how coconut trifle tastes. I have to say it is so good. But if I may have one fresh coconut, it may be even better because one fresh coconut just take it to the next level. You know, the flavor different, the texture different. I think if I had a fresh coconut, it would be even more moist, you know. But I mean, to begin with, trifle is not a nice moist cake. It's always dry. So it's a dry cake, but it was so good. I made it eat that thing like you going out a style. You know how you go when you know eat something long time and then you make it? You that think the thing going out a style. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please hype this video up. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.